What's going on, guys? Today is HDAY. I'm about to head down to HDAY right now. It's a little bit after 11 where it's supposed to start, when it's supposed to start, but we'll see how the turnout is. But I'm about to head down there now. The sun actually came out today, and today was supposed to rain, so I don't know what is going on, but the weather is holding up, so pretty happy about that. I believe like what, 25 minutes out, ran into some Type R's right here, like two Champion white Type R's, one Lexus RCF that's lowered, but he has an exhaust in his car. Sounds good, sounds a little bit good. Here's another Champion white. Not bad, sounds good. Yo guys, these back roads are fun with the Type R's. Type R's move on the back roads for sure. That Lexus be screaming with that V8. Gotta let us pass. What's going on, guys? So I just made it to HDAY. This is Type R, and then here's the white Type R's was cruising with, and was flooring it on the back roads. But I've never seen this color in the Type R in person. It's a nice gray. It's kind of like a dark gray metallic color to it. It looks nice. I like this color. It looks real nice. But guys, I'm gonna give you guys the HDAY fall 2018 experience. Got Type R's everywhere. F1s on this Type R.
Las otras categorías, la categoría Index and Heads-Up, se ha movido las 2 de la tarde, así que prepárense.
Type R Central. And then this is the girl's car with her bag, Type R. Pretty nice. Slammed. Spring 2018 HDAY. I got some sick rollers of this car. We got the duckbill now. He used to have the big wing. Looks nice. Clean. Clean, clean, clean. You guys know turbo. I'm trying to find some different cars for you guys. Switch it up a little bit. We got some Del Sols over here. Integra. Clean, clean. Cosmos Racing and black chrome wheels. Clean. CRX. Nice. Clean. Stock interior. Clean. Pretty dope. Haven't seen this in a long time. My dad had a CRX when I was growing up, and I was sitting in this small back seat. I know. Look how small the back seat is. I was sitting in there as a little kid. But definitely a clean CRX. I don't think I've seen a red Type R yet. It's my first time seeing one. Ooh, it's really nice. It's like a blood red Type R. It's real nice. It's like red. I wish I had got my SI in red, but I really like this red on this Type R. Real nice. Ooh. Bag tucking underneath the fenders. Type RCs. Kind of harness. Tucking tires. Nice. Look at this EP3, guys. This is crazy. Crazy. It's a nice color though. The wheels are icy. Oh my god. Really? Wow. Wow. Well, he made it though. He made it to HDAY. Crazy. Claim. This new two-door SI. One of the new ones. Look nice. Clean. JNC wheels. DC5 turbo. I showed this car last time before. Real nice. But we got this new two-door SI. First time I'm really seeing a lot of them got wheels and stuff done to them now. It's real nice. Got a couple of 9th gens, one 8th gen right here. Another 8th gen on Mugen GPs. Looks real nice. And this one's Kraftwerk Supercharged. If you guys are new to the channel, my goal is at least over 400 horsepower. So either a Kraftwerk Supercharger or a turbo. So this is how the Kraftwerk Supercharger setup would look. Looks real nice. And so Supercharged, of course, is belt driven. Got the belt right there and everything. Intake goes down here. And then the intercooler is down here, as you guys can see. Real nice. Real nice. I like the Mugen GPs with the tire letters. Looks real nice. There it is. Guys on bags too. Got his air tank right here. Crazy. Really crazy. And status seats, nice. Air vents. Turbo integrator, turbo's down there with a turbo blanket, tile blow up valve. I like this, kind of have like a track inspired build, with a big wing on the back. Nice, I really like the setup. Got the PCI side skirts. Real nice. I like what he did with this car. Real nice. We got the spoon section over here. Spoon, CRZ. Nice. You guys seen this S2000 spitting the flames and spring HDAY clean. We got the Spoon EP3 right here on RPF1s. Nice. Really aggressive. I like the diffuser. Diffuser's real nice. Looks good. This looks real nice. Aggressive. S2K that got imported from Japan. Spoon S2K right here. That's nice. I love that hood. The Spoon hood looks real nice and aggressive. Front bumper looks good too, really low to the ground. Spoon hardtop course, right-hand drive. They definitely drive this car. You can see this car definitely gets driven. It's nice.
Good reaction time for birds in the left-hand lane. 8 valve on the green side.
Boom bumper. This is 1.6 S2000 right here. Real nice. I see this S2000 over here. West Sports. Clean. Spoon. Calipers, as you guys can see. Spoon hood, spoon front end. Nice. This wasn't here a few minutes ago. Clean interior, real nice. Got a roll cage back there. Got a kind of like a chameleon color to it. Spoon hardtop. Got a wheel in the rear. Spoon diffuser. Looks nice.